I got a package like this. I freaking hate UPS, but that's a whole nother story on the trouble I had with shipping for Rockin Hair. Hair. But the packaging is really nothing special. It's like the regular Beauty Supply store packaging, just without the cover or whatever. I mean, the cardboard describing the hair or whatever. And you can see the lips, and I don't know what CJ or whatever. I have no idea what that is, but whatever. The color is 613. It's the same as this wig's hair. This was the 18-inch, I believe. Yeah, the 18-inch bundle. This is what the hair looks like. It's really soft. It feels like human hair. It smells like beauty supply store hair, but I want to say that's because of, I gotta take my rings off. I think that's because of the plastic that is in, maybe, but it's really soft. I don't know if it's true to length right now. Let's show you where it stops. Right there. That's a little low. So, I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything bad. It just smells like beauty supply store. And I showed you guys the wefts earlier. They're really thick. I think they're double wefted, but they're really, really, really thick. Yeah, double wefted. So I might split them towards the top of the head just to make sure that the wig lays flat. I mean, I really don't care about it laying flat that much, but yeah. I lost the hairnet thingy for this one, but I want to see how the hair is going to act when I put water on it, because I saw some reviews saying that it turned rubbery once they put water on it, and I hope, well, not any reviews, but what is it? The comment section for people who bought the hair online. Okay, it's reviews, but whatever. This is the closure. It's a decent size. This is what it will look like on my head. Probably when it's done, I want to keep it on like right here, and it's a 3-part. So that's the first part. This is the second, and this is the third. Can't really get to the third one. It's like right there. So that's the closure. It looks like, it reminds me of the George Washington wigs, you know, those type of wigs. That's what it looks like to me when I laid it on my head. So I'm gonna change it. I'm going to dye the roots similar to this, but it's going to be taken in just a little bit, like right there, and the rest of this will be blonde, like all blonde. Where this is brown and stuff, all of that will be blonde. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of how I want it to look. I want some hair inspired by Amiyah Scott, I think. Amiyah Scott, I think that's her name. But yeah, the hair didn't shed, it didn't smell. Nothing was really, nothing too crazy about it. But this 14-inch. I cannot believe how fat this damn, like, look how fat that bundle is. It looks like it's like on steroids. It's pregnant or something. Look at that. And it's hard. Like, the whole thing is hard. So I think the wefts are already sealed. So that must be why it's super hard like this. Like, can you hear that shit? Like, that's hard. So hopefully that the wefts are just already sealed instead of that's how it's just supposed to feel. I don't want to say that these bundles are thick because they're probably not thick enough for me. I like really thick, big hair, as you can see, because I added tracks to this wig. But yeah, I don't know where this is coming from, but there's like a little dot in there. A little dot right in there. I don't know. But the beards are okay. They don't look like they will irritate me that much. Like, I think I can work with it. But it doesn't smell really bad or anything. It just smells like beauty supply store hair, which scares me because everybody says once you add water to, well, what I saw said once you add water to it, it'll react differently. So we'll see that. I'll come back and co-wash it and everything for you guys. So yeah, and I'll show you my co-wash and stuff. And I'm not gonna show you guys when I make the wig because I'm terrible at making wigs, so I might have my sister to make it. So shout out to my sister for making it, and I'm gonna leave her channel in the description box down below. But yeah.